There's something different about Prissy today. She almost seems alive, which is a strange thing to say about a plastic plant. Could it be?
Well, look who it is! My genuine, honest tobacco hero! You did it! We did it! I don't know exactly how it happened, if it was one of the things we did or all of them together. Or maybe it was just the magic of having someone who believed in me and showed up for me. But I am real! I am real and I'm everywhere. I think we can agree that even if there's some sciencey mumbo-jumbo at work, that there's absolutely magic. I just cannot ever thank you enough. You made my dream come true. I'd say I could die of happiness if I wasn't so gosh darn alive. Friends grow together. This is just turning out to be the most excellent day I think I've ever had, ever! I am real. I am filling this whole house with color and lovely smells, and now I have a friend. What do friends do with each other? I don't even know. What do we do now? Ooh, what's that? Sounds fun. I'm probably gonna win though. I have vines now.
Yes? The Madame. For her, I shall assist. Wonderful audience member, the Madame. Only from afar, mind you, but I've seen her in the distance. Kind, quiet soul. Sign me up. Consider it so.
Huh? Oh! Sorry, I guess I drifted off for a sec. Been feeling even more scatterbrained than usual. Yeah, I guess it's normal. Anyway, I don't know if I've got the space in the day to hang right now. Help? That would be nice. I don't know if I can just jump into that so fast. I've been collecting things for so long. They feel like a part of my identity. In order to feel comfortable letting things go, I think I need to reclaim some of myself first. You know, I haven't let myself feel good in a long time. And there's nobody I'd rather kiss than you.
You lean in to press a gentle kiss to Hooves' lips, and you're pleased when he reciprocates. He doesn't push it any further, but he's more than happy to meet your energy in kind. When you finally pull away from him, his eyes are still closed for just a moment. When your eyes meet again, he gives you a sweet smile.
That was hot. Now I'm a little lightheaded. And if that's a taste of what's waiting for me, I am so ready to make some more room in my heart. So, I've been thinking. I have a bunch of things left. I could let them all go at once. Or I can go one by one and maybe keep a few. What do you think? Let's take a look at what's in there. Ooh, I've got this origami bird. Oh, but I loved finding this. Are you sure? I don't know. That's not too convincing. I'll keep this one. Next up is this. Wait, what is this? I think it's Whoa, whoa, easy. I'm not even sure I want to touch it again. I'm just gonna leave it where it is. Let's forget we ever saw it, okay? Well, all that was a bit exhausting. I think I need a minute. Please come back again soon, okay? Whoa. Does that mean there's nothing in?
Oh, you actually came back? Oh, God, I am so embarrassed. You really saw me at my worst, but you stayed, which means so much to me. I'm so relieved to hear that. Seriously, I'm glad you're cool with it. I mean, everyone who drinks has at least one embarrassing experience, right? So it's really no big deal, right? At least this one didn't end up with me waking up with my face on the bathroom floor beside John Liu. The last thing you want to hear when you're hungover is him rapping in your ear. Oh, Bev's drunk again, slumped in a pile. Ain't got no friends, ain't got no style. Ran out of wine, all that's left are the lines pressed in her face from the bathroom tile. I hate him. I hate him so much. I just wish I had been a better host for you. I'm sorry. Hey, yeah. Next time we'll throw a real rager. One that doesn't end with one of us in the bathroom. Hell yeah. I'm excited for it. So, why did you come back? Aww. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. Well, I need to get a hangover cure. Do you want something while I'm at the bar? Excellent! Always happy to serve customers that don't want to get drunk. They usually don't yell and hit on me as much. They also sometimes don't tip as much, though. Anyway, which mocktail would you like? Smart. You'll get sugar, mint, and lime flavors all in a nice tall glass. Coming right up. Glad you like it. I'll let you know when my brain and I are in speaking terms again. Why do I do this? I mean, I know why, but... Oh, why? You really think I'm those things? 'Cause I think you're all those things too. Not to mention, you've done so much for me. You literally made my dream a reality. No one has ever cared so much about me before. You really touched my little glass heart. Huh. Wow, I must still be drunk. My face is all flushed. You think I'm cute even when you're sober? Wow. I mean, I think so too. You're cute. I mean, you'll love me even though I'm a lush? I'll pour another drink. Champagne, anyone?